Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox iPad. Alright, so let's begin with the video. How to get voice chat on Roblox iPad is the same as on a phone. Here's what you need to do. First, open Roblox on your iPad and tap More in the bottom right corner. From here, go into Settings. And the first thing you need to do is go into Account Info. Now, make sure that your account age is over 13. To do this, you need to verify your email address as well as your birthday. Once you verify your birthday, it will say Verified. After that, you also need to verify your email address or phone number. Next, go back to the Settings menu and this time go into Privacy and then Content Maturity. From there, navigate to Communication and then Voice Chat. You should see an option to Enable Microphone. Tap on that and then Enable Voice Chat. So that's basically how you can get voice chat on Roblox iPad. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.